Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to update software in Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and I want to check for your software update, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. From here, just scroll down and look for software update, tap on it, and here just tap on download and install. It will check for updates. So here you just have to wait for its loading, and here you will get, if you have your phone have any software update. Here you can see your phone is up to date. This means my phone software is not having update. So if you have, you just have to tap on download and install button to download and install it to your phone. So that's how you can easily update your software in Samsung A36 or J56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.